here. So imagine I overlaid this dock. Boom. You would have hit that dock. What's going on, guys? Captain Harley here from How To Boating. We're going to talk about pivot points and docks. Now, we talked about the pivot point and it being right here on the boat. So let's take this dock away for a second. If we turn all the way to the left, the engine's going to shoot water like this if you're going in forward. So guess what? The stern of the boat is going to be pushed that way since the water is shooting that way. And the bow doesn't move as much as the stern. So that pivot point is going to be right here. So imagine I overlaid this dock. Boom. You would have hit that dock if you just tried to pull out like a car. Now, that's something you have to be aware of. You can't just pull straight away from the dock. You have to manage with the lines. You could be pushed off by someone on the dock. You could use the lines to your advantage to try to pull your way off the dock. I mean, what you could do, attach a line right here to your forward spring or to your bow. You could actually turn to the left and reverse, and guess what? Your engine is going to pull you off that dock a little bit easier.